guys, and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video I will be taking you to the Ozran Cliff, which is a famous place for sunsets, and we're actually driving there, and I thought I'll probably stop here just to show you guys this awesome view that we have here. Wow, this place is just so beautiful. So we're on our way there, and I'll also be taking the car right on top of the hill, so just to show you guys as to what it is, you know, how it looks like and things like that. So let's go. I really enjoy the drive here in these small lanes. Wow, so beautiful and so green. This is absolutely an amazing drive. And on my right here is an open football field. How beautiful is that? It's currently around 5:30 in the evening, and as we go up ahead, I will show you what it looks like at the entrance to the Ozran Cliff. Ahead in the distance, guys, as you can see, there are so many peacocks. Wow. I think there's easily about 10 or 15 of them. I don't know if you can actually see them in the camera. Wow, this place is absolutely gorgeous. The drive to the cliff is just beautiful. So let's get in the car and get going. So this is the hilltop that I was talking about. You can actually take your car right on top of the hill. So that's what we're going to be doing now. So if you go straight, that is the Ozran Beach Cliff. So we're just taking this diversion, and as you can see, ahead is the hilltop view. So we're just driving there. Wow, this place is absolutely gorgeous. Let me just turn off the AC and open the window and show you guys.
I'll go that side.
Yeah.
On the street.
As you can see, there are so many cars and bikes. And on the right hand side here is the ocean. And this is actually one of the best sunset points ever. So this is something you guys shouldn't be missing, you know, when you come to Goa, especially if you are coming in your vehicle or even if you're hiring a car. It's totally worth doing this. Wow. The weather is so awesome as well. quite a lot of people actually. Wow, so let's park here. Whoa, do you see the ocean? Wow, wow, wow. Look at the view. Guys, this is just awesome. Park, let's get down.
Park.
Yeah. Wow. Let's get down and see. Whoa.
This is too much.
Wow. I'm going on saying wow because this is just ultimate. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this.
Crazy, man.
This is one of the best views that you will get in Goa. This is a must do. Wow, guys, this is something that don't ever miss out doing if at all you happen to be here in North Goa. Just check out this view. It is so serene and just breathtaking. I will be taking you to that place right there, the Ozran Cliff, and I'll be showing you, there's actually a beautiful viewpoint from there as well. So I'll take you there and I'll show you that as well. But meanwhile, I think, you know, you just have to enjoy this view. There are so many people, so many vehicles. So this is an amazing place to even get your pets, you know, for a walk, for an evening walk. It is absolutely beautiful, and I'm sure Snoopy is enjoying. Snoopy, you enjoying? Snoopy? This is a beautiful place. Some people here are actually chilling with some beers. It's so lovely. And there's one thing that you have to be careful about if you're allergic or whatever is these centipedes. You find them all over this place here. And they're really big. They're quite big. See? The size of my footwear. Snoopy? Snoopy's getting excited. He's... Snoopy! Snoopy is a happy boy. Snoopy is very happy today. Snoopy! Who's happy? Who's happy? So this is the entrance to the cliff. It's a small walkway. Cars, of course, cannot enter this lane. It's quite small. But if at all you're on a two-wheeler, then you can take your bike right inside. Wow. This place never fails to wow me every single time when we come here. This sort of a view, my God, is like, you know, it's worth everything. So you can actually take your bike right until there. As you can see, there are so many people there. Wow. Check this out, guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. And I can promise you that, you know, you will have one of the best sunsets from here. There's some crowd as well. And as you can see, you can actually get your bikes right until here. So let me just go that side and show you what it looks like. Wow. So quiet and peaceful. You can just sit here and just gaze into the beauty. So this right here is the famous hotel called 𝐁𝐃𝐕𝐀𝐿𝐿, and I think this is a resort. I don't know what's its name, but if I find out, I'll put that in the description. And if you're living in one of these cottages, this is the view that you get to see. Wow. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you're new to this channel, help me grow, and you know, if at all you want me to make more and more such videos, do support me, because I will be releasing such videos from Goa on a regular basis. So if at all you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye for now.